everyone, this is Marjorie. This is going to be a tutorial, hopefully not a comedy. This is going to be my very first attempt to try putting on magnetic false eyelashes. If you're new here and you find beauty tutorial for the mature beauty community, please subscribe, ring the little bell, and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Turning now to where you can see my little makeup table in my YouTube room. What I always do is I just put my stuff on the back of my hand, and this is called, oh, you probably want to see, this is called Spackle. I think it's Laura Geller. Yes, Spackle Supercharged Fortified Under Makeup and Primer. And I love primer for when you're getting older, older skin. Your skin starts getting, I've always had large pores, unfortunately. I have some sunspots. This is where the kitty bit me. I'll fill you in on that while I'm trying to put these eyelashes on. Anyway, kitty cat is like in the bad teenage phase now. He's roaming around the room here. You may hear him or see him. So I like to put everything on. We're just going to go ahead with a little bit of face makeup. I use, this isn't even open. I use Dermatology, but I guess today I'm using it. Wow, it is a comedy. All right, it's CC cream, which you can tell I use a lot of because it's wearing off the front. And I, once again, put it on my hand. And I put dots. I have no idea if this is the correct way to do anything. I've just watched so many beautiful, mature YouTube video ladies who share their tips and tricks. And then I kind of take it and do my own thing. Okay, so then I have this e.l.f. and it's actually a powder brush, but I like to use it because it's so soft and gentle and just go in and wow, it is always kind of a little heavy. I like Dermatology. I should probably peel off the it just takes so long to peel off the seal because it's a new bottle. My older bottle's downstairs. Okay, so we'll get some coverage here so you don't have to see the whole scary, blotchy old age face. And I always go up just under my eyes a little bit to blend it. Okay. And I use a little tiny bit of, it. And this is Vitality Blushing Cream, and that's called Je ne sais quoi. Yes, it is. NARS has another one that's got a strange name, but I use that sometimes. And I just kind of tap this on just to get a little pink, because in the winter, I look really pale. And I just like a little bit of color, just so I look healthy and not pale. All right, and I'm also gonna put on a dab of pink. I whitened my teeth this morning. And so my lips are really, whoa, sorry, pretty pink. It'll fade away in a minute. My lips are pretty dry. Okay, we're gonna give this a try. Now, like I said, I have never used this. So, I happen to have a little magnifying mirror here. So what I have here is a little set that I think I got them on Amazon. They're called a crown, and there's the strips, and here's the stuff that goes right here, the magnetic liner. I have done what I've seen other people do because I just don't think I'm ready for a heavy lash at my age. So I cut these in half. You can see there's half of it there and half of it there. And they snap right back on the little holder because they're magnetic. All right, let's give this a shot. We will see what happens. Okay. I'm going to try to do it in this mirror. Can you see that? Yeah, I think you can. And it's black. I understand the key to getting these little things to, oops, got that in my eye. The key to getting these things to work is two swipes of this. More. And put it on this eye. Okay, like I said, first attempt, so I am definitely, the little brush seems to be quite nice, and as I recall, these were pretty inexpensive, and I'm going to give a second coat over here. Kind of straighten out that crooked liner. Get into the corner, even though the lash isn't going in the corner. I want the eyelash stuff everywhere. Okay. This is why I'm going to do something that I think I saw Patty Rockstar Mom. I have this fan and I'm going to dry it really fast and hope that I don't get any more blotches. I've got one right there and one right there. And I do know that sometimes if you leave them alone after they dry, you can just kind of pick them off or take a Q-tip with a little bit of remover and get them off. So instead of trying to smear them all over and stretch my sagging skin out more, we're gonna go with this. Okay, hope I'm not scaring y'all. Well, like I said, haven't done very many tutorials on makeup. All right, shall we try this now? I wonder if it's dry enough. Whoa, that was a close-up of a hooded eye. I'm gonna just check this and see. Oh, it feels dry. Okay, here we go. Taking the little strip, and I am going to go right over here. I understand you're supposed to attach them right above your eyelashes. Wow. I'm kind of impressed. Wow. Okay, let's try the other one. And I cut them in half, and I'm using the outer part. Wait a minute. This is, maybe I put them back wrong. Okay, I'm just grabbing one. And let's go ahead and try this and see how it goes. Wait a minute. I think they work better if you give them a little bend so they have a curve. Let's see. Okay. And down there. And come on, attach. Can't tell if it's attached. Wow. I'm going to go with, yeah, I'm pretty pleased. I hope they don't fall off in a few minutes. If they do, I'll come back and tell you. So this is how they fit in this little container, and you can see I only have half because I only want the outer part. Now, the last thing I'm going to do for this little brief quick tutorial is a dab of eyeshadow, because who wants glamorous lashes like these? Do I have a brush in here? Let me see, I think. So this is Butter London. I've had it for a while. It's called Natural Goddess, and I am going to go with the light. It's called Enchantress. And I'm going to get a bunch. And I'm just going to pat it right in here. Right in here. A little bit more. Right in here. Lighten up my eye. Wow, I'm kind of loving this. Enchantress is pretty. And then let's see. I'm going to go with a little bit, oh, it's fall. And I kind of am in love with this. Okay, I used Enchantress, and now I'm going to use Star. So it's a green, and I have kind of greenish blue eyes. So I know everybody uses peachy colors, and they all use sometimes mauve. I mean, Rockstar Mom looks great in the mauve colors. But today I'm going for the Star. Okay. And then, instead of digging around for another brush, I'm going to call it a day right there. And I'm going to get my little black. This is an old standby. It's very tiny. It's 24/7. And it's Urban Decay. Urban Decay 24/7. It's just a kohl pencil. And I'm going to go over here, and I have very sensitive eyes. And if I do the tight line in the under my eye, a lot of times it really causes me to have bloodshot eyes. So I'm just going to go with a little bit in the corner here. And maybe a little up in the end. And let me see. Does that look okay? You all tell me if that doesn't look okay. It appears to me that they're on straight. Okay, let's see. So, taking, curly band. Taking the hair down. Let's see if we can get a full view of what I look like with false lashes. Do I look natural? Would you say, wow, that old lady has fake lashes on? Or do you think it's a keeper? I think it might be a keeper. I'm kind of loving it. Okay, cut your lashes in half and use the magnetic ones. That was pretty easy for a total novice beginner. And let's see, another thing that I use around my eyes, and I put this on before, is Timeless Eye Cream. And I love it. It's got hyaluronic acid and matrixyl, and I use that a lot. So anyway, if you're still here, thank you so much. Please leave me a comment. Any tips are appreciated. And give me a thumbs up, ring the bell, subscribe. See you next time. Bye now.